I can't answer that for you, sis.
Do I have to take the cover off of it?
What you got? What does she have?
Last time I bought it.
Cara, no. No. You want to give her a piece? Here. You give her this piece. Here you go, baby. Not the piece you've had in your mouth. Say thank you, Madeline. Say thank you. You like that. Tell Aunt Chrissy. Say that's good stuff there. She likes that.
I've even done that water trick with them before.
Honey, I don't have a clue what it is, so I can't help you. She likes it good. Good? You okay? You're getting a bath tonight, Missy.
It seals the bag.
Okay.
And it's not working. You're supposed to just press it like this and drag it across, and it seals it like the factory. You can even get a Ziploc bag full of water and pinch it through, and it won't spill the water, and it'll break the bag right across. But I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. If it needs a battery.
Does it have a battery in it?
It's been so long since I had one, and it's not helping me.
Can Madeline have another piece? What do you say? Say thank you. Thank you.
I don't know if I have to do it.
You're a good girl. You're Sharon.
Are you kidding me? I can't believe it's not working. And above me. Maybe it's because this is the wrong material. Let me try plastic.
No, the way it looks, it should be sealing that too, baby.
I know. I don't think it's with batteries. It does look like it comes off. Use 2 AA batteries.
Duh. Duh. Guess what, Christine? You're supposed to put batteries in it. It works better. There's the directions.
Does it say batteries?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't say batteries at all.
The last time I had one of these, I was a doctor.
Yes, it does. Use 2 AA alkaline batteries, not included. We just had to read the fine print.
Uh-oh. Madeline, can you pick that paper up for Mommy, please? Caleb! Now come and look. Watch. See if it'll work for real, Mommy. Ready? Watch. Nope. It's not working.
What does it look like it's brand new?
You have to turn it on. Where's the paper? It seals it, so you don't need bag clip. Heat pad, heat wire, battery cover, battery chamber, bag opener, press bar. Do not touch hot surfaces.